So what are the best crypto signals on Telegram? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So, are you curious about how to make smart crypto moves with the help of experts? Crypto signals on Telegram are one of the best ways to get tips on when to buy or sell crypto. These signals can really help you to make decisions, but it's important to know how to use them right, all right? So step one, you're gonna start by finding a trusted Telegram channel or channels that give good crypto signals. Look for ones that have a lot of members and positive reviews. It's always best to follow channels that are known for sharing honest and reliable information, all right? The comments are gonna give it away right away. Listen to what people are saying. Step two, once you join a signal group, take your time to learn how the signals work. They will usually tell you when to buy or sell certain coins. But remember, don't rush. It's important to understand why a signal is given before acting on it, okay? They're not all wins, okay? Step three, after you get familiar with the signals, you can start practicing with small amounts. Don't put the mortgage on it. This way you can see how well the signals help without taking the big risks. Now with practice, you're gonna feel more confident making decisions. Now by following these three steps, you're gonna be ready to use crypto signals smartly. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link in the description because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways. And then you could do the same with other people too.